Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa raziyallahu ta'ala anha narrates that she never saw the Prophet ﷺ laughing in a manner that his molar teeth became visible. The Prophet ﷺ used to smile, and when there was a wind or a breeze, signs of contemplation appeared on his blessed face. Once she said to him, "O Messenger of Allah, people are pleased to see the clouds, hoping that it will rain. But when I see the clouds, I notice the signs of contemplation on your face. Why is that?" The Prophet ﷺ replied, "Aisha, I am not at ease when I see the clouds, for perhaps it may contain a punishment. As the people were punished with wind, when they saw the punishment, they said, 'This cloud will give us rain.'" Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 23277.